Stop guessing what the client wants. You might know them as mood boards, style tiles, or tear sheets, but what we call Stylescapes will transform the way you work forever. Stylescapes are a collection of highly curated images, designs, type, textures, and colors that help define a visual direction. And more importantly, will get you buy-in from your client before you design anything. Have you ever put your blood, sweat, and tears into something only to hear the client respond with, I'm just not feeling it? Well, we've all been there. As creatives, it's easy for you and I to imagine what something will look like. But for your client who doesn't have that gift, that's why they hired you. If you take our approach to using Stylescapes, you will never have to hear those words again. In this course, I will walk you through the entire process of building a Stylescape, start to finish. I'll show you how to compose, review, and critique your designs as you build it. And if you know me at all, then you know how important shortcuts are to me. So get ready for lots of tips on working faster. On top of learning how to build your Stylescapes, you also get examples from real client projects I've directed. Projects in the hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue for us. Doesn't matter if you're a student, a freelancer, or just looking to break into design, Stylescapes is a great place to start. I'm really excited about this course and I think you'll really enjoy it. My name is Chris Doe, and this is my Stylescapes course.
Learning Stylescapes is a game changer, but I want to tell you guys about a special early bird offer. Now, this thing expires on Friday, but if you purchase before then, you'll be able to participate in the lectures with Chris live. That is, you'll be able to ask questions, you'll even be able to get your work critiqued and have a chance at getting your presentation skills critiqued. Now, obviously, this is a very short window. It closes on Friday, March 15th, so get in there while it lasts. The first lecture airs on Monday. That's when we're doing the first recording. That's when you'll be able to sit down in a very intimate environment with Chris and learn how to create these Stylescapes. So don't miss this opportunity. We've never done this before and we might not do it again. This is going to sell out very quick. Over 50 of them are already gone. So jump on this deal. You will not regret it. This class is going to change your life. All of us here at the Futur just want you to go out there and crush it. You got this, guys. I can't wait to see you in class.